Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here from Everything Tech. But I've got this video ready to go. It's the unboxing of the S20 Ultra from Samsung. So let's get down to it. Okay, so here it is guys. The S20 Ultra. This is the box that Samsung sent out to me. It's pretty plain. You wouldn't even be able to tell there's a phone inside, which is probably a good thing. Nothing really on the sides or top except for this pull tab. So let's get into it. Now with the pull tab off, we need to lift up on this latch, which is quite a feat in itself. Okay, here we go. I've got my fingers underneath, opening it up. And there's our first view of a Samsung logo. On top here is the invoice information. We'll just get rid of that. And underneath we can finally see the retail box of the S20 Ultra 5G. The box itself is pretty standard. Made of recyclable materials again. On the sides, nothing down the bottom. Usual Samsung barcode information with the aluminium number, etc. And of course the seal. So let's get this box open. Watch my knife, don't want to cut myself. Here we go. And I'm finally inside the box. Okay, there is the phone itself. Oh, hold on, something on the top of the box of course. Little surprise, usual Samsung packaging. In there, I would imagine there it is, a SIM ejection tool, and I believe we are getting a clear case. And yes, there it is. Nice clear case. Thank you very much, Samsung. Much appreciated. Nothing else really in the box except a bit of a quick start guide and a warranty card, of course. Nobody ever looks at that, so let's push that to the side. Looking at the phone itself now, little pull tab to lift it up. There it is. Wow, what a camera hump. Unbelievable. The phone itself looks absolutely gorgeous, but yeah, that is a pretty striking camera bump. So let's put that to the side and let's see what else is in the box. A little bit more information, nothing really important. We've got the 25 watt super fast charging brick. This phone is capable of charging up to 45 watts, but they only supply the 25 watt brick inside the packaging. I really wish Samsung you could have given us the 45 watt. Okay, looks like they haven't supplied a adapter plug anymore for the Samsung Switch. And next, of course, is the charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Pretty standard. And finally, we've got our AKG tuned inner ear plugs. With some spare plugs there, thank you. Yep, look pretty good quality. Of course, again, they are USB Type-C, as there is no more headphone jack. Nothing else in the retail box. But of course, let's get into the actual phone and the best part of the phone, ripping off this plastic. Here we go. Nothing more satisfying than ripping off the first part of the plastic. We won't do it to the front, of course. There's a pre-installed Samsung screen protector. Phone itself looking pretty nice. Just let me move that away so you get a better view. It's cosmic grey and it is a well-made phone. Unfortunately, well, that camera bump is quite, it's actually protruding a fair way. You might not be able to see it on this video. But, oh geez, look at that. It is pretty obtrusive. Phone itself looks pretty good. Okay, we might power up in a moment. On the left side here, we've got nothing, just a microphone port, of course, the SIM ejection tray. Down the bottom, USB charging slot, speaker, but no, I can't find that headphone jack, unfortunately. And to the right side, we've just got our volume rockers and our power button. And switching it on, we have our Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G logo pop up, powered by Android, of course, secured by Knox. Pretty standard stuff. I'll just set this up and I'll be back shortly once it's all set up, and I'll give you a quick first impressions of what I think. Okay, the phone is set up and it's just doing its usual update. Asked me for a few different things, but first impressions are this phone is made of high quality. 12 gig of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and of course it runs silky smooth. Screen brightness is very, very bright as usual with the Samsung panels, and yeah, the colours are amazing. The phone itself is a little bit plain. I wish they would have given us a few more options with the Ultra, but yeah, you only had the black or the grey, and the black is a real bad fingerprint magnet. However, this isn't much better. Looking quite smooth. If we go into the motion smoothness, we can see that 120 Hz is set up, and yes, it is buttery smooth. Looks quite good. Volume rockers are in a little bit of a hard spot to get to, and the power button. The phone itself is weighted quite well. It feels good in the hand, but yeah, it is a very large phone, and of course a very heavy phone compared to Samsung standard. Still lighter than the iPhone, only by a couple of grams, but it is much heavier than the S10 Plus. Let's take a look at the fingerprint scanner. Still got Qualcomm's ultrasonic. Yep, that's pretty quick. Let's try it again. Done. Yep, it's working quite well. Let's try it for a third time. Yep, looking quite speedy and works quite good. Let's try it with the screen. Let's just turn the brightness up. Yes, it works quite quick, but on the S10 Plus it worked very quick at the beginning too. And let's see how a few updates time and a few months down the track if the fingerprint scanner is still working as well as straight out of the box. Overall, I'm really looking forward to using the S20 Ultra as my daily driver. If you'd like to see a in-depth review of the device, throw a comment down in the comment section. But otherwise, thanks for watching my video. Hit the like button if you liked it, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified when I post new content. Thanks again, and have an awesome day.